Old Hickory Tannery is a family-owned business, building the best quality furniture on the cutting edge of design for over 30 years. With the advent of the 21st century, the company moved into a new facility to better meet the needs of their clients and the consumer. Their success has resulted in an unprecedented growth for the industry, leading to the construction of 2 expansions in this location in only the past few years, and more already in development. The key to Old Hickory Tannery's growth lies in a commitment to 2 principles: design and quality. This video will describe the process the company uses to maintain that commitment. Design begins at the top, with company owner Willard Black and his hand-picked design team. The goal of the team is creating looks that are both unique and timeless. They understand fashion is about enhancing an existing look, not about overwhelming what is already there. The production of a piece of Old Hickory Tannery furniture combines the best traditions of the past with modern technology, and every step of the process is in the hands of a true craftsman. The average Old Hickory Tannery employee has 18 years of experience in the business, with some going beyond 40 years. When an order enters the factory, the first step is the cutting of the leather, fabrics, or a combination thereof. Each specific style has its own unique pattern that must be followed. Human skill is paramount at this point, as it can discover true flaws in the leather as opposed to natural markings, and it can account for variances of pattern and color that occur in different production runs of any material. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, the frame is being assembled. Even though they will never see the light of day, every potential load-bearing part of the frame is constructed from solid hardwoods. This is the very core of the strength and durability of Old Hickory Tannery's furniture. After the pattern is cut from the material, it moves to the sewing department. Here, the team of seamstresses work to put the jigsaw puzzle of parts together. Each one is a specialist in a particular job, from working on the body of the piece to being responsible solely for the cushions. Together, they create the cover, as it is known, for the ultimate finished product. Again, at the same time the final work on the cover is coming together, the frame is being prepared as well. First comes the finishing process. Old Hickory Tannery uses the same method normally reserved for the highest quality case goods. To their mind, exposed wood is exposed wood and deserves only the best treatment possible. Then, the frame enters spring up. This is the point where the internal springs and support for the cushioned areas of the furniture are applied. The key at this point is a term called 8-way hand-tied. It is the original method of quality spring application that to this day has not been improved on. It means that each spring is connected to each other and the frame at 8 separate points through a hand-woven web of waxed twine. The stability and comfort of this technique is unparalleled. At the point where the frame and the cover are both ready, they meet at upholstery. This is a 2-stage process that involves specialized craftsmen. In the first stage, one person upholsters the interior of the piece, the typically more time-consuming job. When he is done, the piece is subject to its first inspection before it can move on to the next person, who upholsters the exterior and completes the job. Now the fully upholstered piece is ready for any extras that may be needed. Decorative trims and individual brass nails are just some of the options possible. Once the construction is complete, each piece faces the rigors of final inspection. At this point, no minor detail is overlooked, as the furniture is inspected from top to bottom with all the cushions, pillows, and every accoutrement applied. Not even the least thread is out of place before it continues. Once the piece has passed final inspection, it immediately moves to packaging. Old Hickory Tannery places its furniture on a double-walled tray, covers it with an extra thick blue tissue wrap, and then shrink wraps the piece directly to the tray. It is then covered with a box that is connected directly to the tray as well. This is a white cardboard box instead of the more typical brown version. This helps the piece stand out during shipping, resulting in fewer cases of damage during transit. Old Hickory Tannery's commitment to design and quality has enabled it to grow into one of the most prestigious furniture manufacturers in the world. They believe the ability to maintain that commitment comes from remaining a family-owned and operated business. To ensure the company retains that vision into the future, the junior executives are already working hard to keep the
Old Hickory Tannery tradition going for the next 30 years.